Okay, so it's now out of the box. Lovely assistant. How we get out of the box. Make it climb. Take off the sticky. So, how do we open this? There we go. So it comes with something inside, which is the good news, because the one on Amazon, apparently, it comes with nothing. No charger, no batteries. So this is actually directly from worx themselves. Wind your fingers. Good luck. This is from worx themselves. Same price, but they state it does come with a power pack. So it does actually come with everything you need. The one on Amazon sadly says it does not, which not really good. So you can get a car plug-in as well. It's a UK one, so it's very good.
Merry Christmas.
That's it, I got this from worx directly, their website. Same price, and actually not much difference in their delivery neither. It said 4 to 5 working days, but within 3 days it was here. So these are my own batteries. You can buy them separately. 1, 2. Mind your fingers. Oh, it's vibrating. So it's turned on. So it's turned on already. So down here we have a couple of options. So that's the upside down at the moment. You have a USB socket on there. You have your on and off button, obviously. Settings, and control what temperature you want. It's a bit better. So we have it on a couple of options. You've got high, medium and low, or freezing. It tells you the battery indicators. These are fully charged batteries. Alexa, what's the time?
It's 1:58 p.m.
1:58 p.m. So we see how long they last.
And had a wonderful Christmas party.
Okay, so it does actually go to -20. So you can actually use it as a freezer, which is really cool. I noticed it's got an eco. Let's turn that light off. You just see that. It says eco down here. Not really good on the screen on the torch. Yeah, tells you the voltage. Pretty simple to know. You get a little vibration coming from it, but apart from that, I don't hear a thing. So you could actually have this in a camping tent. It's very quiet. So yeah, overall, apart from my cheeky son wants to beat it off already. So it has a light in here. It's good. It's getting cold already. No, that's quick.
cards.
So it has like a foamy
Donkey.
ridge,
I'm a little
a
confused.
little lip on the edge, so it lips over and does actually seal all the way around. Pretty good. Yeah, overall, so far I'm happy with it. There's a lid, there's a handle, and a carry handle. Yeah, so that's my review. So far so good. I should test later on. Well, okay, I'm very surprised already. It's -5. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 2:17 p.m.
It's 2:17 p.m. So it's only been about 10-15 minutes. Oh, -6. So later on, after my school run, pick up my son, I'm going to get the temperature laser gun and take the temperature from inside and see what that says. So see you about 4 o'clock, I suppose. Oops. Okay, so battery life is currently on 1 and it's low, so there's only 17% left. It's currently at -19. So it's gonna open up and minus 28.1. So yeah, it's still pretty cold around the whole of the side. I think I might be picking up the air from there. There you go. .5 capacity. I've not actually put it on charge, or one battery is fully charged, the other one was not. And yeah, that can of Coke is like proper, you know, streak level. You could really streak in it. It's proper nice and cold. Really nice and cold. I would definitely drink that. It's cold enough for me. And I do like a nice cold. Apparently I can charge this while it's on. So I'm going to put that to the test now. So I've got the power brick and the plug. So I'm unscrewing this quickly and hopefully going to plug it in before it runs completely flat. But it's still pumping out, even though the level's really low. The motor is even on now, so it's not running any less or anything like that. So yeah, just gonna plug this in. Just give me a minute or two. Yeah, I'm not at full strength. I'm getting over epoxy chest infection. Hopefully it'll be gone soon. So pardon me if I cough. Or seem out of puff. And it does knock your socks off. Epoxy chest infections. Okay. I just have to unplug a light. Okay, so down here, No problem. So down here, yeah. Okay, so I just plugged it in. Sorry, that is my wife gas bag in. And let's turn off the light, you can see it properly now. So it's just plugged in the charger down there. Excuses again, it's upside down. But it is charging and running on mains at the same time. So I'm guessing this one here, the top battery, is currently running. The bottom battery is currently charging. So I'm guessing this will charge and this will kick in when this is run out, because this one is charging. So I should say left and right, because they are marked left and right. So when the left battery runs completely flat, the right battery should kick in and take over. However, that is completely flat because it went flat. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on it to see how exactly it takes over when the other one is flat. Or does the motor actually cut off? Which is an interesting thing to look out for. Or does the power supply manage to supply the units as well as the batteries at the same time? But the motor is still running, it's vibrating on me. You know, this is very quiet. You wouldn't even know you got this in a tent. Somebody snoring would probably be louder than this. In fact, they would be louder than this. So the top battery, left battery is 16.8 volts. And the bottom one, the right one, is 16.6 volts. So I must say, I don't know if it's got a heat pump technology in it, but it's, to me, I think it has, because it's very quiet. And heat pumps usually reject heat from the back, from one side, and then cold from the other. Yeah, so this side is cold, which is on the back of this system. Hot air, or looped warm air, is coming from the front and slightly from the back. It's right here. So warm there, warm down here, and cold at the back, and a bit of cold from there. Now the motor has currently turned off. So the motor has turned off, but it is still showing -20. So it's reached its temperature and officially turned off. I'm just going to sit here and wait and see when it starts to go back on. Now what figure does it reach for it to trigger to come back on? Excuses any noises, my wife and children just answer random questions when I'm in the middle of doing something. As they always do. me just see if I can open the door. It's got the door open a couple of inches. There's some warm air going out. Just open the door. I'm just going through the settings. So that's Eco. That's Max. That's Eco Max. Push and hold it and get nothing. So we'll go to Eco and then push the downward arrow and get nothing. So we'll go to Eco Max and push downwards and get nothing. Okay, so it's got a high, and it's got an L next to it, and a minus, to freeze a bit. Maybe when you go through the, so let's go through, actually I can't delete it, because it's not kicked in yet. It's still on minus 20. 18. It's just changed the figure to 18 and it's just kicked in. So between 18 and 20 the motor comes on. So when it goes to 18, like a freezer, technically your freezer is minus 18 for freezing food like chips, chicken, pizzas, anything like that requires your freezer is minus 18. Has to be by law in the UK. Your fridge is usually around about 5 to 1. You can have it on 0, but fridge is about 1. Some of them you can set even lower, but not too much lower. So yeah, technically this is a freezer cool box. It's the first one I've found and seen on the market. Yeah, I've seen this before on Amazon, but like I said, it didn't come with a charger, so I was not interested. However, I did go on worx's main website and purchase it from there. You get the mains and the car charger included. You do not get no batteries. However, it did state 4 to 5 days delivery, but 3 days say it was delivered by DPD. So, and DPD by my standards are a very good delivery company. So yeah, I'm not sponsored by anyone or anything like that. Just my purchase out of my own money. It's something I wanted for the summertime. Not only that, you can have this in the garden for parties, you know.
In the front room.
You could take this to the beach and have your barbecue stuff on there. So, and it's going to be nice and frozen when you get to the beach as well. So that's a plus. You're not going to worry about anything defrosting and getting food poisoning, anything got any manky or anything like that. You know, I think great value for money, and it's not a bad size space. I have another cool box. By the time you put the ice packs in there as well, you kind of lost space. So yeah, this is win-win. It's already on it. It's got wheels. You wheel it along and lift it up. It's got some handles at the back here, like some little leverage. I think you can put some straps in it because it's both ends. Yeah, so you can actually buy a strap if you want to strap it across your back, but yeah, I leave that to somebody bigger and bulkier. That's not my thing. The wheels are my thing. I just wheel it along. Simple, easy, lazier, much more better for me. Yeah, so I'm very happy. That's my review. It charges as well, so as it goes along. So you never really have to take the batteries out. And if you get the extra long batteries, which I'm assuming they fit in here, I'm not read anywhere at the moment that it can't take the big size batteries, but I'm still reading, so don't hold me to that entirely. But yeah, it looks like there's space for bigger batteries in there. They look like a bigger capacity. Like I say, I have to read through and double check. But yeah, so far I am delighted.